Hey guys, it's Luvableviet. Welcome back to the day 7 of the A Day in My Life 2021, episode 7. And in today's episode, I kind of want to talk about pregnancy. As you know, we lost our third child last August. We've been trying, and I guess it's just been feeling kind of hopeless. And I know that there are many of us out there that has been trying for over a year and so far nothing. Obviously, I'm human, and the first thought that runs through my head is there something wrong with me? Does something go wrong? I'm young and healthy. Why can't I carry again? Or why can't I get pregnant? I want you to know that it's normal to feel this way. All women go through it, no matter what age. We all feel this, and you're not alone. If anything, after losing my third child, I had so many younger mom and older ladies that reached out to me to tell me their experiences, and to me that has been most helpful and healing than anything. I honestly wish there were more people that would talk about or be more honest about this related subject, but I suppose where could one really bring this subject up? So I decided to dedicate this safe space for us women to talk about our experiences. Feel free to drop your story in the comment section down below, because if we don't say what we feel, I feel like it will be a forever taboo subject. And what I want you to know is no matter what my internal struggles are, I still go to work the next day and act like nothing is wrong.
Okay.
Hiya.
Thank you.
Yeah, I told you. It's thank you so much. I'm so sorry. They said they're gonna be here. When people are late, I'm utterly annoyed. Hi, right now we're at 12 Sutton Street. Upon entry, the person just moved out today, so there's a little bit of trash left. There's an area here, you can put your bike or whatnot. Upon coming in, window area, you can put the shoe rack here. Once all of this is being fixed and cleaned up, it's gonna look amazing. So I like this nice open waiting area where you can put shoe rack or coat rack or something. Here is the living room. I don't mind the couch here, to be honest, because holy heck, but I can give you a sizing of what you could put. So living room area. Once all of this is gone, it's gonna look more open and spacious. Here is the first bedroom. It is connected to the living room, so you can use it however you wish. And the door will move. Once it's painted and the floor is redone, it's just going to look impeccable. This is the first bedroom. I'm gonna step all the way back here and show you the closet, and then I'll also show you pretty good sized closet, to be honest. Close the closet up. I'm gonna show you the full bedroom look with the living room right there, and this door takes us out to the hallway. So I came in from that direction, the living room. The first bedroom, and that is a queen size bed, so you can really see how much or how big this room really is. Amazing. You do have 2 closet space. It does go in pretty deep. That's nice, a lot of space too, and landlord doesn't mind you paint, and this person paint. So that's nice. Here is the third bedroom. Ooh, and it's spacious, all right. That's a king size bed right there, and you can see for reference that it is a really big bedroom size. And obviously this person had to paint it blue, but when the landlord come in and fix this place, it's gonna go back to this creamy color. And wow, okay. This person really need to take all their stuff, but yep. All right, so continuing on, across the hall is the first bathroom. Very spacious. And coming in is the kitchen area, and obviously it's going to be renovated and it's going to look amazing and beautiful soon. Here's where the washer and dryer hookup is. Cute pantry area. You do have a private deck and balcony. That's nice. This is the door that goes out. And this is the 4th bedroom with a bathroom. That's right, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and this is the master. And as you see, it is quite humongous. It's not rug, it's hardwood. The person that lived here decided to, buy a rug for this place. But here is the bathroom. It is very spacious. Very, very spacious. And you have a huge walk-in closet here as well. That's nice. Very tall. See, she has 2 brackets. So the bracket on top and this bracket. Very, very nice. I'm 5'7", so with heel I'm about 6 feet. So I'm telling you now, very tall ceiling. Very spacious area. I hope he chooses this new apartment, especially when it's fully done. It's going to look so impeccable. I'm gonna step back a little bit and kind of show you the master bedroom size. It is massive, and this is 12 Sutton, number 1. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you make this your new home. And that is how you make $300.
If I had begun this video with an upbeat tone, you never know that for the past 6 videos, I have a secret that no one even picked up on. Truth is, we all only share what we want. Whether a woman is covered in rag or riches, we all have our own internal struggle, so be kind to one another. Another day. Today we're doing more recording for apartments that we're going to be renting out. I'm quite excited to make more money. This is the property that we are recording today. This is 1411 Blue Hill Ave, number 1. No one has it all. No one. But we can choose to appreciate what we do have while we work for what we want. If you're struggling to carry, remember, you can't force a tree to bear fruit until the tree is ready to. It's just not your time, and stress isn't going to speed it up. Stress will only take away today's peace. I wake up every day and put on a smile, not because I'm fake, but I put on a smile because I know it isn't my turn to carry yet, and I'm going to be happy for everyone else who is. If you're struggling in your career, remember, the window is also a type of door, so maybe your way out isn't through the door, but a window. Maybe your calling isn't what you want to do most, but what God needs you to do. So maybe take a step back and stop forcing a rectangle to fit through a triangle, and perhaps reassess if what you want to do is even meant or is even right for you. Believe it or not, I never thought that my current job was ever going to be my job. I could never in a million years think I would even go into doing this for a living. Now, I want to go back to school for a real estate attorney license. Me. I know, right? Take what you want to do when you were a child, for example. When I was little, I thought I was going to be a doctor. I thought I was going to take care of my parent, cure AIDS, HIV, I don't know, do something amazing. Cure cancer, I don't know. That's just what I thought I was going to do as a child. I grew up and I was like, oh, I am going to be a fashion designer or go into some kind of textile manufacturing of some sort. Housing? Seriously? This is not even in the same spectrum of what I thought I was going to do for a living. I didn't arrive here on accident. I arrived here when I was ready. Just like I feel my body, when it's ready to carry, it will carry. But for now, I'm going to focus on my mental health, and every day I'm just going to focus on trying to be okay and being okay. When I check into a negative result on my pregnancy test. Which reminds me, I haven't tested today. Maybe that's why I'm in a better mood. Maybe I shouldn't begin the day testing to see if I'm pregnant, because then I'll be disappointed for the rest of the day. Maybe I will try doing that at the end of the day from now on. And maybe you can try that too. Anyways, the battery for the camera actually ran out because, accidentally kept the camera on, and yep, it burned through, so there wasn't much for me to record today. After this, I had like 8 clients I have to meet up with. So yeah, for work, this is the last few clips that I got today. I'll update you after I get home and finish all my work. Hopefully I can release this video by the end of tonight. Toward the end of my day, my husband actually called me and asked me on a date. He arranged with Erica, so when I get home later today, I'm gonna upload all the videos that I need to upload for my clients, and then I'm gonna cook, feed the girls their dinner, and since I have makeup on, I won't have to get ready, and I'm gonna go out tonight.
Where are we going? No! Your bum your leg. Time for get ready for bed. Watch out, you're gonna ruin it. It's gonna fall down. No throwing.
And for tonight, we're at Scampo. Scampo is one of my favorite go-to restaurant because they have really good lobster risotto here. And I'm quite happy with today's menu, to be honest. They do change it up quite a bit, but I'm going to try the crispy Nantucket Cape Cod #1 tuna sashimi with fried garlic bit and bean thread noodle. I want to try the Wagyu sirloin, but I think they told me it was out, so I think we're going to do the charcoal tenderloin and the Chilean sea bass. I know that the light potato nochi was really popular on their Instagram, so I'm gonna try that too. And of course, the lobster risotto. And why not? Let's try the fries. The French fry with spritz vinegar. Honestly, at this part, I just kind of want to take one day at a time. I just want to enjoy my husband's company. I want to watch Kate and Kara grow up healthily, and when pregnancy is meant for being, it will happen. Now, I'm going to be happy with what I have. That is an amazing dinner, a thoughtful husband, healthy children, and a good career. And after that impeccable dinner, I came home, and for just shits and giggles, I took a test and I found out I was pregnant. So now I don't know what I'm gonna say to my husband, but in celebration, I'm going to continue our 30-day vlog challenge, and this is the next present.